Hello, my name's Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties. Gary Kaufman, Product Manager, Digger Specialties. And we're now ready to install the frame rails onto this screen rail set. And we have all the frame rails in place, but we're going to video the last two. And we're going to video a vertical going onto this structural porch post, and we're going to video a horizontal going across the top here. As you're installing this, you cut it to, obviously we've cut it to length. We have the cover off, and you of course want to make sure that you have the slot side with your screen slots on the outside, and Gary's going to line this up on the post. He has the marks on the back side of the post, so we know that we have it level from top to bottom. And we're going to install this with a self-tapping screw, and we want to screw every 16 inches. Obviously the cover's off, so the base is exposed. We're now ready to install the cover. This is a snap. And that product's installed. We're now ready to install the last horizontal piece. And I want to make note here in the corner that these are just butt joints. Here I have my vertical going all the way to the header. That's one acceptable way of doing it. It would also be acceptable to have the horizontal to come all the way out to the post. There is no right or wrong. So again, we're going to, we have one end installed already, and we're going to put these in place. Again, we're going to put a screw about every 16 inches and snap the cover in place, which we showed that on the earlier post. So again, thank you for watching this Westbury ScreenRail video.